India started as an idea about 4 years back. In the coming June, we would complete 4 years. So this was basically kind of started by Pavitra because so she is the founder of India. She wanted to create an organization which has a social impact.
Sign language and hire more and more hearing impaired. So we have now equal number of hearing impaired. What the challenge?
It has to have a social impact. In order to sustain and grow, there was a need for the company to have a business impact as well as the social impact. So with this, we kind of also brought our ideas of me having a business impact and then she having a social impact. This two kind of different ideologies or the two different worlds rather got merged, and then that's how India was born.
For our people, even 5,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees is a very big money, and which is more valued. So they take it very specially and make sure that proper money is processed, and they take pride in working.
The turning point that with Ujjivan was that our ability to understand the MFI domain and then understand the domain really well, because Ujjivan not only gave us the work but also gave us the complete know-how and knowledge of how MFI works.
I'm professional national player. Silver medal and gold medal.
Who's your favorite sports person?
All the players.
All the players.
VVS Lakshman.
VVS Lakshman is your favorite. Why do you like VVS Lakshman?
Because he's a very good Indian batsman and he looks like one of my cousin sister's husband also.
So ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಉಜ್ಜೀವನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಸೆಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಲೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್, ಇವ್ರು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I have a girl who actually started with me, when I started this company. So she was the second child or the third child in that family. So the father is a farmer, so he had made a lot of loans, and one of the sisters had got married. So when she came to the job, she had a lot of things and a lot of expectations from the family. Actually, before that, she had been cornered into a wall, saying that you are a disabled, you cannot do anything. And more than that, she was not a graduate as well. So that is when she came to India. She started her job, and slowly, the progressions happened in her life, and she got her sister married, and she's getting her brother educated, and to be very frank, she's become the head of the family where she takes decisions.
ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ